Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today Babe here is going to do my makeup and I'm scared. So if you want to see Babe make a masterpiece, then just continue to watch.
I have no idea like anything about makeup at all.
They know that, Babe. That's the point. Okay?
So where are we gonna start? I don't even know. Matte. Let's see. I'm assuming this is for eyes. Huda Beauty. Huda Beauty.
Huda?
Desert Dusk palette. It has a picture of this lady's eyes on it, so I'm assuming that this is eye stuff. This Modern Mattes by BH Cosmetics with all of these is for eyes, because I don't think people would put like green makeup like on their actual face. And we got Anastasia Beverly Hills. I guess that's by Nicole Guerrero. I don't know what the heck this is. These two I'm not 100% sure. They can be eyes or face. I'm kind of on the fence. I'm gonna set them to their side. These three I'm assuming are for eyes. So we're gonna put these. Okay, so let me get this. Pro Conceal LA Girl Concealer. Some kind of cream. Is it NYX or NYX?
NYX.
And then we got some NYX Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator. That's gonna be stuff for the face, because these are like nude color stuff, so I'm assuming they're for like her face. And then we got some Lancome. It doesn't really say what it is. Oh, under eye concealer. Oh, so I'm assuming this is going under her eyes. So put this with the eye stuff. This is some type of L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Matte. I don't know what matte is, so we're gonna kind of put it by itself. Concealer. So let's put this all together. Concealer. I don't know what that is. This doesn't even have it says MAC on it. I don't have it looks nasty. I don't
No, it doesn't.
See how y'all put this on y'all's face. This just has what is this? This is Anastasia Beverly Hills Dirt is what it looks like. Some dirt from Beverly Hills. Makes your face just feel dirty rich. A slew of brushes and some Maybelline New York matte, whatever that matte stuff is. I am assuming that you start with concealer, only because it's like the closest thing to the color of her skin that I can see. So I'm assuming that this is what I put on her face to start with, and then I kind of build off of this. I don't know if like you mix these. This one's darker than this one, so I feel like she's an in-between of these two right here. But there's so many. Like, I don't know if I'm supposed to use all these together, or if like she uses different ones for different occasions, how this works. So we're just gonna go. I'm gonna start off with this lighter one, because I feel like it'd be easier to start lighter and work my way darker until it matches than if I start dark and then I accidentally go too dark. So we're gonna start light. I know what this is for because I've seen her dabbing her face with it. I know that this is to like put stuff on her face. So yeah, I'm on the right track. Oh, this is a brush. So I guess I use this to put it on her face. I don't even have to use this. I can just use this. Okay, so we're gonna start with some of this LA Girl Pro Conceal HD High Definition, concealer. It don't really have like a color or anything, so I don't know. We're just gonna start with this. So I'm assuming I'll put like Oh. Oh my. It's your face. Alright, let's just start with this and then kind of smear it in. Now I'm gonna use this egg.
Egg.
Okay, so that made you look white. But I can always get darker, so this is just the beginning, guys. Trust me, when I get done with this, y'all gonna be, cover girls gonna see this and y'all gonna like wanna hire me. Super white. That ain't even like kinda white, like you just look pale now. I definitely put too much on this side. So, alright, we're gonna even out this white with a little dark. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so that did not help much at all. Trial and error, trial and error. So I'm gonna use some of this. Yes, get this all mixed in good. So,
Do I look pretty?
not yet. Just kidding. Alright. You always look pretty, but you're gonna look so good once I get done with it. Oh yeah, now that's looking a little bit better. You don't look like a ghost anymore. You look pale. I feel like I'm giving you like a zombie look or something. Alright, let me find a darker one. Is this dark? This looks dark. Oh yeah, that's dark there. Now we're really about to get going. Oh yeah, there we go. Now and I'm assuming like, since this stuff is all creamy and whatnot, that like the rest of the makeup's gonna like stick to this. So, plus, you know, this is just like the under, I gotta like mix and match. I know I gotta put like the highlights in there and the low lights and all of that. So, once I get to blending, she's gonna look way better. So, we done with the first part. What is matte ink? Let's pull these out and see what they look like. This looks like it's for lips. Because I don't know why like a pinkish or maroonish color would like go on the face. So that's definitely for, I already know what this is because I've seen her use this. This is what she draws them little cat eye things. The wings or whatever the hell y'all call them. This is dark. This is like hella dark, so I'm gonna use this to try maybe like taking out some of that lightness. We're gonna use a brush. How do you like smear it? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. This is kind of dark. Man, this stuff is hella dark. Okay, so maybe that wasn't the greatest idea. Let's put some of this lighter stuff back over that. I don't know how much you can like keep layering this shit on, but stuff, excuse me, I don't know if her channel's like G-rated or what. That way if you're watching this, I'm sorry I cussed. So, alright, I'm done with that. That part's done. So let's do, okay, so I don't know what this is. No, what is this? Oh, under eye. So let me put some of this under her eye, because this is that stuff I was telling y'all about that says something about put it under their eye. So that's like obvious. If I don't put this under her eye and it's called under eye, then I mean, I just feel stupid. Damn. Oh. Oh. Look at me. Oh yeah, we're close. I'm literally like right there on how good she is so far. Oh, there's these things that are shiny. I'm assuming that's like the stuff. Probably not this. This looks more like for eyes. But this stuff looks like that. What? Highlighter. That stuff that like makes y'all's face all shiny when y'all really try to act like that's y'all's skin, but we ain't that stupid. I know. So you gotta be shiny on the cheeks. Oh, that's. Then I know y'all do it on your nose, so let me get like a skinnier brush. Just do a different color on the nose. And next, I don't know what comes next. Hold on, let me look over everything. Alright, so I guess eyes. I want to do like a cool color on her eyes. My favorite color is green, so you know. But, you know, since we repping Ohio State today and everything, maybe I'll do red. This red color for her eyes. Yeah. Okay. I'm assuming this is for her eyes at least, because I know y'all do like weird colors on your eyes. So.
I'm not telling him anything, by the way. Like what to use, anything. He's just doing it all on his own. So I'm just.
Oh, you know what I gotta do? I gotta do her eyebrows, because I know y'all like them eyebrows on fleek. Close your eyes. Oh, this ain't right. I feel like I'm not supposed to be using this brush. Oh, I'm gonna do like that little smoky thing to make it look like it's like drifting off into it's like drifting off into your face. I've seen those that little messy look going. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I see that red. I'm gonna just do I get to do the wings on her face.
Oh gosh.
But wait, I feel like I should probably draw this and then use this. So let's see. What is this? This is like the same exact thing. Yeah. There we go. But this thing ain't sharp. Ooh, there we go. Hey, shout out Essence Super Fine Eyeliner Pen. That looks awful. Okay, that looks bad, but I gotta go in and fill it in and fix it. So we're gonna use this, whatever this liquid stuff is, to like, oh yeah, oh man, I'm glad I didn't start with this. This stuff is like a Sharpie.
This just feels wrong. Okay.
I can't do it.
Don't poke me in the eye, babe. This feels so wrong.
Yeah, like Cleopatra. Okay. Oh, I gotta do her eyelashes. That's what I gotta do.
No, we can skip that
But
one.
no, first we're gonna do The eyebrows. But you gotta use a brush or something because that stuff ain't even combed. Your eyebrows. You ain't got a brush. Let's use this. Ooh, this feels like it hurts. Hey, it's working though. Is this what this is for?
We can skip the mascara.
No.
We're gonna skip the mascara.
No, we're not gonna skip the mascara. Close your eyes. Why you don't want to do mascara?
Just, please don't poke me in the eye, baby.
Do you trust me?
Yes.
Okay. Close your eyes. Oh wait, or do you do it when they're open? I don't know, close them. Ooh. Last but not least, she's always got some lipstick on. So we're gonna go with this red Anastasia Beverly Hills red lipstick. You see I got the red theme kind of going. I guess this is lipstick. It just is red, so. Don't you have to like do something? Look at me. I gotta like follow the lines of your lips.
Okay, so go get the mirror. What the heck? Oh my gosh, babe. I look like it.
I still think she looks
Literally.
cute.
No. Okay, guys, so this is Babe's masterpiece. I really hope you enjoyed this video. And please give this a thumbs up. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.